Welcome to the Football Journal, your ultimate destination for all things football. Join us for exciting match highlights, in-depth analysis, and expert opinions on the beautiful game. From the Premier League to La Liga, Champions League to World Cup, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest football news, updates, and videos. Ivan Toney to Al Ali. Here we go. Deal completed between clubs with Brentford for £40 million package. Medical done. Contract agreed and Ivan will travel to Saudi this weekend to be presented. Osimhen deal off today and Toney now finally done. Yes, Jadon Sancho will join Chelsea with immediate effect. If everything goes according to plan now. All done and sealed with Manchester United. Total agreement between the clubs is done confirmed. Loan with an obligation to buy. Verbal agreement was already done. Liverpool are now the only club in the Premier League so far this season to not have conceded a goal. Real Madrid believe Arda Güler has the potential to become an elite-level midfielder. The club believes he has the ability to play as an interior midfielder, creating plays from deeper positions rather than always staying near the penalty area. Jadon Sancho. Chelsea and Man United signed all docs in time as deal is 100% done. Loan with obligation to buy guaranteed. Formally if #CFC will finish among first 14 position in PL table. Fee starts from £20 million guaranteed up to £25 million in add-ons based on performances. Manuel Ugarte, new midfielder of Man United, with a long-term contract until 2029 signed. Deal was always on, now done. News, now confirmed. Saga over. Saka on red card to Declan Rice. We just want some consistency. João Pedro booted the ball halfway across the pitch in the first half, and got nothing for it. Dec got the slightest touch and was sent off. Omar Rekik, no longer an Arsenal player as contract was terminated on mutual agreement yesterday. Rekik now available as free agent after his specific request to leave and try new chapter. Fabian Hürzeler's impact with Premier League has been fantastic. Everton away, Man United home, Arsenal away. 2 wins, 1 draw, 7 points. 31-year-old manager with impressive start. Arteta, explanation for red card? No, none like always. If it happens throughout the game in a consistent way, that's fine, but it didn't. In the first half, there are a number of occasions where they kicked the ball away. Nothing happened. Al Hilal bid for Marcos Leonardo worth €40 million, currently still on Benfica's table. All parties waiting for Benfica to decide. No answer has been sent yet. Arteta on signing Sterling. We know the qualities he has. It is a bigger step up for us. We have brought a top talent who has a loads of experience. Hopefully he impacts the team in a good way. Victor Osimhen has been excluded by Napoli's Serie A squad list, and also number 9 will no longer be on his shirt. Napoli have decided to give number 9 to Romelu Lukaku with immediate effect. Sekou Koné to Manchester United was completed yesterday after exclusive news out of nowhere. Man United have been working on this deal for months in background to anticipate Ajax plus 2 German clubs. 2006, born Mali midfielder seen as top talent with view to the first team. New deal until June 2028 for Willy Gnonto at Leeds United. Agreement done and signed. No release clauses expected to be in the contract, per club sources. Arteta on Merino injury. It is very disappointing because you can feel the pain of the player as well. His reaction has been exceptional straight away. We signed him for many years, not for a few weeks, and we need to move on. Antony to Real Betis on loan is not happening. Despite reports, he wants to stay at Manchester United. Billy Gilmour to Napoli. Here we go. After improved bid today, and player asking to leave. Green light arrives from Brighton. Napoli improved proposal initial €13 million, and Billy only wanted to join them as made specific request to club. Verbal agreement in place. Barcelona are closing in on deal for 2006, born left-back, David Oduro from Accra Lions, joining the academy. He's the first player ever to sign for Barcelona directly from Ghana. Agreement in place. Guardiola confirms City not to sign any backup for Haaland. Maybe it's a mistake, I don't know, but I like to work with not a long squad. I don't like to leave a lot of players without playing for a long time. Erling Haaland has now scored 69 goals in 69 Premier League appearances. David Washington's £17 million move to Strasbourg from Chelsea collapsed after fears the move would be investigated as both clubs are owned by Bluca. Kurt Zouma has joined El Aroba from West Ham on a season-long loan. Rafael Varane has not been included in Como's Serie A squad list for the season. He was injured 23 minutes into his debut, and the Italian club are reportedly considering terminating his contract already. Turkish club Eyüpspor met with Newcastle's Kieran Trippier and had talks over personal terms. Napoli have taken the number 9 shirt off Victor Osimhen and given it to Romelu Lukaku. Osimhen might just have the worst agent in football history. Crystal Palace have signed Trevor Chalobah from Chelsea on a straight loan. Barcelona win 7-0 and make it 4 wins in 4 games under Hansi Flick. 13 goals scored in 4 games. Thanks for watching.